Thank you for joining me and welcome to my podcast Astro Vedic Wisdom Astrology. Today I am starting my new episode on Rahu and Ketu transit 2020. Rahu and Ketu are also called lunar nodes, the north node and south node in astrology. Rahu and Ketu change their sign in every 18 months and affects the lives of the native of all zodiac signs. Rahu and Ketu are transiting in the new sign on 23rd September 2020, where Rahu transit in Taurus and Ketu transit in Scorpio, and it will be remain until April 2022. Now I am starting with Aries ascendant, the first sign of the zodiac. For Aries ascendant, Rahu is transits to the second house. The second house relates to finance, wealth, family, speech, and food. So Rahu will focus on your finances in this transit, and Ketu 8th house focuses on the mysteries of life. Ketu is in the house of death and transformation, trying to teach you how to let go of things which are not in your control. So you'll be making some major changes at this time. Financial issues increase in your life. You might want to achieve wealth in a fast way, and Rahu might give you that, but be careful. It can taken away from you as fast as it comes. As these houses are linked to your family life, so there might be some changes in that area. Some disputes in married life also take place. You may also use harsh words against each other, which may create troubles for you. Therefore, you should have control over your speech and think before saying anything. There are high chances to be cheated by someone during this time. You should not trust anyone blindly, guys. Like example, your friend will come and request or demand some credit on the basis of some false emotional story. But be don't trust anyone blindly, guys. There will be a good progress in your career in this period, guys. The transit is very good for your work life. You may also get promoted. Reputation at work will be also increased. People related to media, communication, import, export, travel, software, and glamour industry will take advantage of this trend, guys. It will be very good transit for these peoples. In this period, the craving of food will also increase because second house also related to food. You wanna eat good tasty food which is expensive and have a luxurious taste and with specific specialty, and you will visit restaurants and cafe mostly in this period. Now moving on to Ketu. Ketu in transit to 8th house. Ketu in 8th house focuses on the mysteries of life. If you will be religious and spiritual, then great success in balance mode you will enjoy in this transit. There are chances of grappling with disease and visiting doctors due to it is also foreseen. Emotional stretch may drain you. Don't take loans during this period as repayment might become an issue for you, guys. Avoid getting into addictive substances like smoking and drinking habits. Avoid. The only thing you need is to practice meditation throughout for a better state of mind as things are unavoidable. So that's all for the Aries people, guys. One thing I wanna tell you, which is very important, guys, the Rahu and Ketu effects are more prominent when a person is passing through Rahu and Ketu Dasha or Antardasha in Vedic astrology. So thank you. That's all for the day. I will post soon my next podcast on Taurus ascendant. Stay tuned. Bye bye, guys.